If your eyes are piercing me, pale blue light, the way you look at me, fly into the haze. We are never coming back. Make me lose control. I have never been this bad. Cause another goes wild, windows wide open, now we're carrying high. Cause another wild out.
All this loving that I hold inside. So, quick recap. I look like terrible shit, I know that. That hike was honestly the hardest thing I've ever done. I just don't feel good, like, inside. I don't know if it's... They gave us, like, these banana pancakes in the morning, and I generally feel like death. And so, like, the actual hike wasn't that bad, but the lack of air, oxygen, just made me so sick, I think. But the good news is I found a little cute dog. I'll show you him. And he followed me all the way from the top. So I'm gonna take him home. Hi, baby. Say bye. I want to say bye to you. Come here, baby. What's your smell? Oh, great. Great pee. Great pee. So, apa kabar?
Apa kabar?
Bagus.
Bagus. And this one is carrot for your tofu curry. This one is mushroom. You like mushroom? Everyone like mushroom?
Yeah.
For the vegetable soup, yeah.
Yeah, I didn't know what it was. I was like, I don't think I've ever seen that in my life.
Yeah, this is oyster mushroom, yeah. Normal
magic mushroom.
Yeah.
You know magic.
I was like, what am I saying yes to?